growth is rarely instant. We live in a world that rushes everything. Fast success, fast change, fast judgment. But Islam never rushed the human soul. Islam understands that humans are not machines. We struggle. We fall. We learn. That is why guidance was never forced all at once. Faith was revealed step by step, allowing hearts to adjust, not to break. In Islam, change is not about perfection. It is about direction. One step today is better than none. Falling does not mean failure, as long as you stand up, facing the right direction. When faith is rushed, guilt replaces wisdom. Pressure replaces mercy, and fear replaces love. Islam does not grow people through shame. It grows hearts through patience and compassion. Slow consistency is more beloved than fast exhaustion. A small, good deed, done sincerely every day, outweighs a big action, done once, then abandoned. Islam teaches us to build faith like roots, not fireworks. Being slow does not mean being lost. As long as your heart is pointed toward God, every step, no matter how small, still counts. Progress in Islam is measured by intention, not speed. If you are still learning, still struggling, still trying, you are not behind. You are exactly where growth begins. Islam teaches us to walk, not to run, to grow, not to perform, to become better, not overnight, but over a lifetime, slowly, gently, toward what is right.